Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome into another video on the channel. We're back down on the river. This time we made it to the other side of the waterfall. Finally figured out how to get over there. I found a little road where you can park at and you gotta walk. It was a long walk. But we went down, chased some channel cats, got a couple, missed the big fish, got to use my big poles over there, tried out my new one. So, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoy. I'll see you next time. Let's go.
Time to fire up the grill. Gypsy habanero chicken, finger licking, so delicious. When it comes off the grill, don't miss it. Happy Gilmore the cast, send it to outer space. Tune in to Michael Chavez cooking show.
Oh yeah, got one. I think he's gonna be way out there. His tail. Don't get tangled up in my. Oh, damn it! That was a good blow. Gotta go over here, get him out of this. Feel that big. I don't feel that big. Don't get tangled up in my. Whoa. Come on, baby. Get out of that current. Get out of that current. I think we got him out of the current now. Yeah. He got a little fight to him. Can't see him. Don't tangle up my other line. Yeah. Let's give him a little. Get out of that current. Come on. Get out of there. It's weird they're biting on this one. I got the Santee Cooper on here. And I broke off and I didn't tie another leader. And so it's gotta be like 4 or 5 inches on my leader line. I don't think he's very big, but this current is tough. Haven't got to see him yet. I'm sure he's gonna get pissed when he sees me. What do we got? Oh yeah, that's a nice channel cat. That's a nice channel cat. See, look how short that leader line is. A couple inches. Come here, big boy. Come to Papa. Come on. Don't tear yourself up on them rocks. Oh, he's all beat up. And we got him. Look at that. Heck yeah. All right, we got one finally. Look at that. Oh, he's all beat up. He's gonna. That's a good one. So we're switching from all Santee Cooper rigs to all just your traditional Carolina rigs. And if anybody wonders why I got this dang glove on, it's because casting this braid, as many times I've casted it, these big sinkers, I got a nasty cut on my index finger from holding the spinning reel, And my first aid kit is in the kayak, so we're just gonna go sink or slide to the bead, to the swivel, to probably like 12, 15, 16 inches of my leader line, which is 30-pound mono Gamakatsu circle hook. We're gonna put that on all 3 poles instead of the Santee Coopers that we had tied up. We've caught a couple bites, lost one big fish. I'm guessing it was big fish. Caught one smaller channel cat, but change it up a little bit. It's probably about 9:30. Before we move spots, we're gonna try this here for a little bit before we go maybe down. I would like to go that way, but all right, and we're back to another maybe crossing spot. Not too sure about it either, but either we're gonna cross or we're just gonna go back up there and fish where we don't want to fish. But let's check it out. Current's a little strong. It's not. Oh, look at that. There goes a silver. Yeah, it ain't deep. It actually feels good on my feet because these shoes are tearing my feet up. When I take them off, whoa, it's gonna be bad. But hey, they said let's go fishing, so we fish. It's what we do. Ugh. Might actually have to take these shoes off. Ow.
Big blue cat is the mission. Big bite ride going down. Then we missed them. Time to fire up the grill. Gypsy habanero chicken. Finger licking so delicious. When it comes off the grill, don't miss it. Happy Gilmore the cast. Send it to outer space. Tune in to Michael Chavez cooking show. Tice. Monster Rod Holders on a new boat.
Where he's at. I had to walk away from my other lines. He's out there in the middle. Come on, Mad Cat. Let's see what you got. Definitely a channel. I don't get stuck on nothing. I think he's stuck on something. Sucker. I think he's stuck on something. Let's see if he'll swim out of there. Tree or something. There he comes. There he comes. Either he's stuck or he's just bigger than I think he is. Oh, he feels like he's getting stuck right there. No, there he goes. There he is, up over whatever that is. Come on, be a real good one. Come on. Come on. Gotta get out of this other tree that's over here. Come on, but he's still ways out there. A whole bunch of debris over here. Still haven't seen him. Definitely a catfish though. Head shakes. You tired yet? Okay, here we go. That's a decent one. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Nice channel. Come here, big old sexy thing. Yeah, I'm coming for you. Oh, God. Spoke too soon. Got the GoPro and me all wet. Gotcha, baby. Gotcha. Go. See you later.
habanero chicken, finger licking so delicious. When it comes off the grill, don't miss it. Happy.